Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we open up MGA's Miniverse, Make a Mini Baby Food, along with a baby. Comes with the baby. As you can see here, we have one. Zoom in. Put stuff in the back. What's that? This was the bananas, the blueberries, and cereal one. Okay, let's get the open. Oh, I didn't know. That's cute. There are 8 to collect. Now, I know one of these might be a double. I'm not sure, but that's fine if we get a double. I love me some babies. What it looks like so far. We got another wrapper to open. Baby food. And 2 of these, I believe I got from Walgreens, and one I got from Amazon. But if it's going by the code, MGA's Miniverse, Make a Mini Baby Food, along with a baby. Comes with the baby. As you can see here, we have one. Zoom in. Put stuff in the back. What's that? This was the bananas, the blueberries, and cereal one. Okay, let's get the open. Oh, I didn't know. That's cute. There are 8 to collect. Now, I know one of these might be a double. I'm not sure, but that's fine if we get a double. I love me some babies. What it looks like so far. We got another wrapper to open. Baby food. And 2 of these, I believe I got from Walgreens, and one I got from Amazon. But if it's going by the code, this is mostly, oops, sorry there. They're mostly a code I seen at Walgreens, and they all had the same code. So maybe it's not the code or something, I don't know. I'm not really sure of that department. It was pretty pink. The last one was yellow, so I know this is different. Oh, here it is. Slip it back. Here's our baby. There you go. Little mouth will open. And you see he has a diaper on. Oh my gosh, y'all, this stuff is so cute. It's so tiny. Look. Cup, bowl, spoon, fork, plate. Oh my gosh. It's on a tray. Oh, so cute. Dishware set. Minis first. Oh my god. Look at that. This is the collector's guide. And this is the warning. Not food. Do not eat. So important information should read first. Bam. Let's look. Oh, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is what we got last time. Look at that. Let's take our baby out. Slipped at the bottom. And I don't know where my scissors went. Never mind, found them. Baby came out. Bam. There's our baby. Baby is in a sitting position. This chair is nice and hard. Like a hover chair. Or like a little high chair. Basically. Oh, I got yellow for these. But found it. And it connects. Oh, almost dropped our baby. Wow. Bam, there we go. See how it's connected? Look at this way up in the back. Oh, in the back. You can just back in place. Bam. Take the baby on a spaceship ride. Let me make a baby dizzy. Let's open our pink bag. Baby first. That's all we have. Sun-baked sweets. Our little bread. This is so cute. Oh, look at that. I love mini brands. These are our little baby eggs. Let's take one out. Oh, look. Oh, gotta focus. Hold on a second. There it is. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Just put it back in. Oh, it's crumbling. You see it? It's crumbling. Yeah, let's put that back. Put it back in our little cartridge. That is adorable. And let's see what's in this bag. Oh! They don't never focus. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at that little pink ball. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sorry, my lady. I need a new stand. Go to the little masher. There. We have a little avocados. I actually never tried avocados. Put it in our bowl. And then we have our spoon and knife. this will be all for this set. So let's move on to the next baby. We might put that together, might not. Haven't decided yet. This is the next one. The code, I think, is the same, I believe, right? Pretty sure it is. If it's a double, then, like I said, we're fine. Sorry to all the people who don't like doubles. You can make different sets with these. Every kid deserves a home. And wonderful parents. Oh no, this is different. You can see it. You can see the bottles. Ah, yes. Oh, I dropped it down. It doesn't even matter. Oh my goodness, y'all. Let's put this one to the side here. Oh. Sorry, Stacy, you gotta move over. To put our stuff down. Oh, look. Okay. Bye bye. Oh, look at that. Baby bottles. And we have our baby in a little carrier. This plastic. But that would do. Baby got a little blanket. See if the baby comes with a pamper. Yes, the baby comes with a pamper. Baby's all wrapped up. Let's take our baby out and look. Bam. It's our baby. Let's wrap our baby back. And put our baby back. Oh, let's put her right there. Little baby bottles in there. Let's look at our collector's guide again. So we either have this one or this one. Okay, we got that the first time. And then the last time we got this one. So we would need a couple more. We're good to go. Oh, something fell. The measuring spoon. Look how tiny that is. I almost lost it. So tiny. Let's put up there next to it already. Oh, nope, that wasn't it. Oh, look. Oh, it doesn't open? Oh, it should open. Look at that. Oh, sorry. Looking the wrong way. This is so cute. I love it. This will be the baby formula. Let's open it. I can open it. I can't open nothing today. Let me see if I can open it. Okay. That was a struggle. Oh, look at our baby formula. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. We're gonna be out here making baby bottles, y'all. Miniature baby bottles. gosh. It's a drying rack. Oh my god, zoom back in. Way too big. There we go. That's so cute. Oh, look, we got dish soap. Dish soap. Oh, is that it? Yeah, that's it. And this is the brush to clean the bottles. Oh, oh, it's so soft. It's like rubbery. Oh my god, so in love. Okay. This is everything we got with our babies. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's so tiny. Everyone say bye. Thank y'all for watching.